everybody. I want to start by showing you 448 video is right here, and that blue stayed just as beautiful and vibrant. Really happy with that. And then this one, 449, is just stunning. That bright color is amazing. I love how it turned out. So I want to do that look, but I'm using reds today. So it is going to be reds and purples and a bit of yellow. So this is my blue one, and maybe it'll look good and maybe it won't. We shall find out. Let me get these out of the way. Zoom you out a little bit. Okay. So I do have paint mixing videos. Check out the playlists. My Amazon list in the descriptions will give you the link to this pan I'm pouring on and other various things. So I was deconstructing a past mixed media project to put together with another mixed media project, and I had adorned it with some metal things, and I sliced my finger, and I did not have a band-aid down here, so I used a paper towel and painter's tape, which is, you know, the handyman's band-aid. So luckily it wasn't on the razor blade that I was using to cut apart the metal, because that would have really, I would not be sitting here painting right now if that had been the case. So this is my Dutch Boy latex paint mixed with Floetrol and water. And I'm just going to tilt it around. This is MDF that I've had cut from somebody at work. I am starting a new job though in 3 weeks. So I'll fill you in more on that when it gets closer. There is a thingy in here. Ugh, big one. Ugh, the tool I need, I just threw on the ground. I'm going to touch out those air bubbles. And pick up this piece I need. And I can see I'm going to have to keep touching up these edges, which is the one pain with the edges. So I'm just going to start with Brilliant Magenta. I actually don't even know how, I don't know if that one was a swirl and twist, and so I'm not sure what I did with that one. That was quite a few days ago. I wish I had started this up here. That was deep yellow. This is mystery red. The purple was Grumbacher deep violet. I am going to be so sad when mystery red is gone because it is one of my favorite colors. And unfortunately, 'tis a mystery what it is. I am going to get rid of them because I don't like them, but those cells, no silicone. So I am twirling. I have found that this is how I like the paint with the swirly look. And this is, I have found that I can do it on purpose and not just by accident, which was an awesome thing when I found that out. And it's taken me over a year to figure that one out. And I am going to use the straw to blow out color from underneath. I'm going to torch it to bring bubble cells up. Then I'm going to go back over it with this. This is so pretty. Okay, so there is still a lot of paint on here. Check that out. So pretty. I hope some of you have put on your own music or something at this point, or else you're just using this as your meditative time. So I'm being very quiet. skin. This area looks lumpy, but it will even out. That will last. Bring you around. I really like it. I like how it turned out. And you can see areas are darkening, cells are forming as it gets, after the torching, after it gets all settled. Things are changing a little. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.